So for my class 11 market swine, I placed them 2, 4, 1, 3. I placed 2 first because he's big boned, had good back fat, had exceptionally well body depth for feed capacity and gut room. He was really long, but had a rounded top line. His legs were pointed slightly in, but not enough to cause trouble. He's also pretty big. And then for my top comparison, I had 2 and 4. Both of them had exceptional back fat, very big boned, good body depth, and very wide across the hams. And I placed 2 because he was just better looking, big boned, more muscular to him, and that's what we're after. 4 was better than 2 due to his top line. He had a flatter top line, but he didn't have as good back fat or quite as much depth as 2. My middle comparison is 4 and 1. Both had a flat top line, nice hourglass shape, very flexible in their walk. Both had fairly good depth. 1 was slightly better than 4 for leg flex, and 4 had a very sloped top line kind of towards the tail, and that just doesn't work as well for on the hams. My bottom comparison was 1 and 3. Both of them had a sloped top line. Both of them were pretty square in how they held themselves. 3 was better than 1 how he held himself, slightly better leg stance. But 3 overall I placed last because he didn't have very good depth. He was lacking muscle. He's short. Didn't walk as smooth, and he had more slope top line out of the rest. So my placing would be 2, 4, 1, and 3. Thank you.